What's going on YouTube? Start off by saying, you know what I'm saying, I don't know what's wrong with YouTube notification, because every time I upload a video, you guys supposed to get a notification. But one of my subscribers, so big shout out to Brad, bro, you know what I'm saying, he said, hey Prince, man, you uploaded a video yesterday, I just got the notification today. So I just want to just let you guys know, if you are subscribed to my channel and you are not getting a notification as needed, only thing I do is just unsubscribe and resubscribe to my channel. So therefore, you know what I'm saying, when you resubscribe, you're going to hit all for notifications. And therefore, you know what I'm saying, I don't know, because YouTube is just straight tripping. But I'm not going to say too much in this video, you know what I'm saying. It's just basic ball fade. You know, the first initial guideline, second initial guideline, number one guard, open, number one guard, close, then do a little, you know, detail work. It's not nothing, but I just want to make this as a ASMR more so than just a tutorial. So let's get it. By the way, guys, I cut my client hair down to a 0 against the grain, because, you know what I'm saying, I tried to do the 1 against the grain, but it wasn't taking off enough hair. So I actually put the 0 on and I opened it up 1 notch and I went against the grain. And now I'm putting in a brush session, you know what I'm saying, so I can lay the hairs back down so I can start my first initial guideline. And one other thing, guys, you know what I'm saying, the hair really don't just grow straight up and down, you know what I'm saying. You're going to have to go sideways, because, you know, like right here in the parietal ridge area, his hair do not go straight up and down. So I had to just cut, you know what I'm saying, against the grain going to the back, so, you know, I can knock the hair off. All right, YouTube, you notice I got my left thumb and I'm pulling up the head. That didn't sound right. Let me rephrase that. You notice I have my left thumb and I'm pulling up the scalp, because I'm trying to make room for fading with my clippers. Because, you know what I'm saying, if I wasn't stretching the skin or whatever, even though that didn't still sound right, if I wasn't stretching the skin to try to define that fade, the fade would not try to take effect the way I wanted to. So make sure you stretch that skin. Even though that didn't sound right again, make sure you just stretch the, you know what I'm saying, just make sure you stretch it so, you know what I'm saying, you can define your fade. Come on, let's get it, man, because this tutorial is going left already. And to bring it to you guys' attention, I just want to let you know I am using the corners of my blades, and I'm also, you know what I'm saying, adjusting the clippers as needed, because, you know, I just want to, you know what I'm saying, have my fade in there, because I'm about to start on the blending process. All right, YouTube, you remember the first beginning of the video, I said that I was cut his hair down with a 0 against the grain, 1 notch open. Now I still had that 1 notch open, but the only thing I'm doing right now is just actually debulking that part, and then I'm gonna fall back and close the 0 guard. See, with this ball fade right here, it really don't take too much, because, you know what I'm saying, this is actually like a 2-step system. So yeah, let's just get into it until we get to the next step. Now guys, every time you see me switch up clippers such as my Barber Pro Gold FX, the only thing I'm doing right now is just actually debulking that 0 close, because what I couldn't get out with the 0 close, you know what I'm saying, you're supposed to bank that line out and then come back with the, you know, next blade. But the reason I'm using my Barber Pro is because, you know, the blade act as a, you know what I'm saying, number 1 blade. Might not make sense, but you know what I'm saying, the way I'm trying to put it in a better understandable way. I'm just actually using the Barber Pro blades, you know what I'm saying, just to go underneath a 0 close, because, you know, if I would have went with the Stylecraft blades, I probably would have took a little bit too much off. But the Barber Pro just give me, you know what I'm saying, just enough room to take off what I need to take off. All right, guys, this is without the enhancements. I just want to stop and just show you guys how the haircut going to turn out without the enhancements. But if you notice that the enhancement make a big difference to the haircut. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take my my Barber Magic pencil, and I'm gonna trace that outside vertical bar so I can know that, I'm gonna be even on both sides. So I just wanted to let y'all guys know about that. Take notes, man, because this right here can take you a long way. Now you guys see how much of a big difference the enhancement make, man. That's all I'm saying. The enhancement will bring the haircut out. But this is actually the end results of the whole haircut, because I was like, I forgot to push record for the end results, you know what I'm saying? But this is the closest I can get to it. But I'm gonna put some fiber on top of the enhancement, because the enhancement leave like a residue. So I just want to, darken it up with a little, spray. I didn't put too much of the topic on him. I just barely sprayed it on him, just went back over with with my trimmers. But yeah, this is the haircut, and let's just get on to it until we get to the end. But for the subscribers that said that they didn't get no notification, what you had to do, you had to unsubscribe from my channel and resubscribe. And when you resubscribe, make sure you hit all under the notification bell. So let's just get back into this video. All right, YouTube, this is the closest I can get to the end. I am done with the haircut. This is the final cut right here. But like I said, my camera died on me and everything, so this is the closest I can get to the end of the results of the video. I'm sorry I didn't show the sides, but I did show that side, but the other side I didn't show. But if you stuck around long enough, man, make sure you give me a like, and if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. But with that being said, it's your boy Black Prince the Barber, and may God bless. Peace.